We start 10:45.
Yeah.
First stop is Pserimos, small island, not many people. We stop here so you can get off the boat, visit a little bit the island, sandy beach for swimming. We stay there an hour. When we finish from Pserimos, on the way to Kalimnos we have the lunch on the boat, included in the price. Pork, chicken, pita, tzatziki, salad, spaghetti, whatever you prefer, you choose to eat included. Then we go to Kalimnos in town, which is like a Greek typical island with traditional houses, small narrow streets where you have your free time to visit around. Last stop is Plati. Again, we stop here so you can get off the boat. We have a water slide, stairs. If you want, you can jump also from the boat. For drinks, you pay extra, but normal price is not expensive. Cash card, you can pay as you prefer. You can sit anywhere you like. It's a big stable boat, not too rocky on the way to the island. And we don't work with any tour operator or guide or anything like this, so you have your free time to enjoy the trip. Around 5:30 we are back. The price is 25 with lunch.
Right.
Every day.
Do you see dolphins every day, yeah?
No, that's 50-50.
Oh, right. Okay.
That's not 100%.
Right.
Sometimes we do, because the fish farms are
Yeah.
every day. You need to make a reservation in advance, a day before, for example.
Right. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.
And you?